Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm gonna do a unboxing of my Saint Laurent bag. I was supposed to do it a while ago, but I didn't get a chance, so I'm gonna bring it to you today. And yeah, let's see how long it's gonna take me to upload this. So something off, like not unboxing. So today I did my makeup, very soft look today. Yeah, and I have on falsies. So yeah, so like I do the unboxing. So it comes in this beautiful bag, box, like this, very cute. You can see the detail of the box. It's so pretty, the box. It looks like a shoebox. And then it comes like this in a nice little paper where you could open, and it looks like a book. Like how they learn how to fold it and everything is so pretty. Then once you open it, it looks like this. I have yet to wear it. I don't know. It's like I don't want to like mess it up. I'm sure a lot of designer bag collectors feel the same way. So it comes like this. It's the small toy LouLou. It's the cute little bag that comes in a gold. I think it has the gold on it. So anyways, the holder bag is like this. Very good material. I love it. And it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. The leather is so pretty. Look at the detail of the bag. This is the YSL. It's so pretty, and I have yet to use it. It's so cute. Anyway, so inside it looks like this. It has the little compartment. Here I think it has the little, I think this one don't come with the inside one. And then here has the other one, and then with the zipper and the brand. As you can see, also comes with the card holder as well. And also the label of the brand also comes there and in the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all the way down there. And yep, and it has a zipper also that you can put your stuff in. And yep, and I think it has, oh, hold on, I don't know, but I'm trying to look at it. This is new and didn't know this had that. Yep, it has the code in there. So that's how you know it's real. Of course, somehow they know it's real because some bags come with like little chips in it that they could tell is real. So now they're doing that. So yeah, so the bag is like this, and you close it. Very easy to close, and it comes with the strap. So the bag comes with also the strap, and I got the adjustable strap. I feel like, I don't know if this is the old strap or the other one's the new one, but yeah, this is the one that I came with. I was asking for the other one, but they told me that that was the old strap. But when I went to the other store, they told me that they didn't have this, and they had the new strap, but then it was not coming out yet. I don't know, it was just a hot mess, but yeah. So this is the unboxing of the toy LouLou. It's a gorgeous bag. Right now this bag is going for $1,990. Not sure how much I bought it for, but yeah. So if you're looking for a nice YSL bag and you don't know which one to get, I would suggest you grab yourself this one. This is a good everyday bag that you could go anywhere with. You could dress it down, you could dress it up, you could use that as a clutch with the strap. You could even get a different strap for this bag as well. Yep. So if you have any thoughts on getting one bag, a nice brand name cute bag, luxury, grab this. If you have any comments, or anything that you want to ask me, you could leave a comment down below, and you could subscribe as well. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.